From the vast expanses of the ocean to the towering mountain peaks, nature crafts its unpredictable stories. Imagine colossal tsunamis born from the ocean's depths, surging towards coasts with unrestrained energy, leaving an indelible mark. On land, the daunting tremors of devastating earthquakes unleash raw, unbridled force, shifting the very bedrock of our world and often triggering landslides and avalanches. Fires rage with relentless fury, fed by fierce winds, consuming everything in their path. Amidst torrential rains that morph into raging floods, the sky unleashes its own spectacular might with menacing lightning strikes. Nature, both awe-inspiring and terrifying, reminds us of its unpredictability and power through these incredible, sometimes tragic events.